a bit of a cold, wet, foggy morning down in the valley from Kahana here this morning. It's raining here at the moment and very windy. And we're off to pick up our timber today down the Huon Valley for our kitchen. Not sure if it's going to be a successful trip because we don't ideally want to be transporting the timber in the rain, but it is supposed to clear up by lunchtime, so we'll see how we go. So we're taking Dad's old trusty steed today with us. She's old, but she still goes, and there's nothing wrong with that. So we've got our ladder racks on to take the timber, and I've got Philip in the driver's seat to get me there safely. He's all dressed up because he has a business appointment to go to. So come along for the ride, we'll show you some scenery along the way. Here's our water gate. We have another video on how we made this, but Philip's just reaching outside to turn the agricultural tap on, and the gate is opening. Thank you, gate. Thank you, Philip. And the gate now closes behind us. We don't have to get out in the rain. So this is the street that we live on. It's not really a street, of course. It's a road. There's only about 4 or 5 of us that live on this road. And it takes you halfway up the mountain. You can hear the truck talks to us as we go along the road. Rattles and vibrates. This is our first hairpin. Have a couple of these. And this is the Lachlan Valley, or part of it. And within 5 minutes we're down the bottom of the hill, and you can see that the sky's already starting to think about being blue instead of foggy and cloudy and rainy. So let's hope it doesn't change its mind. See how much water's in the river. Not a lot. So this is actually now coming into the Lachlan village. A few houses, really. Oh, sorry about all the bumps. There's more bumps on this road than there is on our dirt road. Derwent Valley. We've left New Norfolk and we're on our way to Hobart. It's going to take us an hour and a half to get down to the Huon Valley, which is south of Hobart. We're west of Hobart. And although the Sawmill's only probably about 10 kilometres from our house as the crow flies, there is no road that goes over the Wellington Range. So we have to go round it, and it's a big range. It's going to take us about an hour and a half to go 10 minutes. And that's the Derwent River. It's a big river. Comes all the way from the middle of the state. Some days it's as still as a mill pond. It's quite chopped up today with the wind. See that big bridge there? That's actually a new bridge. We call it the Bridgewater Bridge. This area is Bridgewater. Well, on the other side of the river it's Bridgewater. On this side it's called Granton. You might be able to see the old bridge sitting beside it still. So that's going to be removed to allow boats to come up the river to New Norfolk, which is going to be fantastic. A lot of black swans here. It's a black swan colony. It's a protected area. Not many out and about today though. I'm going to go up onto the highway now and head into Hobart. You can see there's still quite a lot of bridge works going on. Wellington there, just coming into view. Looks like it's got a bit of snow on it. So we've decided to pick up some plastic drop sheets on the way down, just in case the rain comes back, which could very well do, to protect the timber. This is the main road through the city, Davy Street. You'll see the wharf come up on the left hand side shortly. And this will take us to what we call the southern outlet, which will take us down to Huonville. David's Park. Hope you weren't speeding, Philip. Speed camera back there. I hope you weren't speeding.
Doing well under the speed limit with this old truck.
Almost at the top. You can do it. Downhill all the way the other side. Well, almost. There's not a lot of cars on the road at the moment, but at peak hour, this road is just chockers. Almost there. Downhill now. Woohoo! So we're now coming down into the Huon Valley. And as you can see, it's started to rain.
Take the next right onto Glen Road. In 600 metres, turn right onto North Glen Road.
We've got a little bit of blue sky. We might be able to load in between showers. Let's hope so.
Take the next right onto North Glen Road. In 300 metres, turn left.
So just coming up on the left here is Watson's Sawmill. This is where we're picking up the timber.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Doesn't look like much. I hope we've got enough.
Meters.
This is 5 meters long.
Apparently. 0.2.
Yeah, okay.
So which end will be facing front, do you reckon?
Depends which side we're from.
Were you going out?
Yeah, so if I load from where you are now, There's probably going to be your end face the front.
So I'll fold this in under the driving rail.
Yep.
Oh, I've got this. I reckon. Oh yeah,
We can tuck that under.
yeah.
We want to do the other side as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that in first, maybe in case I get short on.
Yeah, I've got some more tape here. I'll see if I can.
Oh, but it'll be like this. Snug as a bug in a rug.
Yeah. Yeah, more we can set up.
Yeah.
It's just a bit high for you.
We had beautiful fine weather in New Norfolk as we drove through New Norfolk. We thought, and then we got to Bunnings, bought this black plastic. We thought, such good weather. We thought, should we buy it? We live in Tasmania. Get real. It's going to change. It's springtime.
Yeah, it's you never know what you're going to get this time of year.
That's right.
Maybe some in the middle there, honey, where it's hanging down there, just so it doesn't catch on the truck when we lift it on.
That's another room.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as too much tape around these.
Absolutely.
Ah.
What do you reckon?
I think that's pretty.
Pretty secure.
Sit on there and then see what it looks like. You might need to put a little bit more around
Yeah, where it grazes.
the end, maybe.
Right.
Yeah. All right, chopping it around.
Cool.
Unique way of getting through the gates.
Yeah, you got it just on the back? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it'll be a big reach out in front.
Yeah, onto the back.
But that's sort of.
I hope I got that in. I was too busy watching what they were doing on the truck, not what was happening on camera. So I think they're just going to push it forward a little bit.
It just gives a little bit more of the weight on the actual cab rack, which will be a stronger support.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, done.
Phillips out back with a hammer in hand, turning old walls into something grand. Dust on his boots, plans in his head, tools all around and a vision ahead. Lisa's inside where the screens are aglow, cutting the clips so the story flows. Coffee in hand, headphones on tight, making magic on the timeline late at night.
Thanks, Anthony. Really appreciate your help. You've been really helpful. This is Watson's Sawmill. I think you've had this business, what, 30 odd years?
Yeah, we've been sawmilling for 35 years. And it's in the family blood. We've been doing it for a while. Really enjoyed finding timber like what you've got, that unusual grained timber. That's the thing we enjoy each day is seeing something different.
Yeah, we're keen to get it into our kitchen and on the cupboard doors and the drawer fronts because it's going to make it stand out as being something different.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. That's always enjoyable when you get something that's a little bit different.
Yeah. No, I really appreciate your help. And look, Watson's Sawmill. We've got some awesome timbers in your shed. I tell you what, I was walking back through, says Lisa, man, you've got some beautiful timber in here. Yeah, it's nice stuff.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Good on you. All right.
Not a problem. Thanks.
Do we have something ready in the truck? Might be just under a metre.
Yeah, that's a good point. I was thinking.
Yeah, we don't run into the transport. I'm pretty fussy about these things these days. You find it'd be probably worth more than what the timber is.
Yeah, this is just one more. Here's one I used.
Here's one I used 10 years ago.
Oh, we fix it and film it, building dreams from the ground. Phillips making sawdust while Lisa cuts the sound. From the workshop to the edit suite, we're making something real and sweet. Yeah, we fix it and film it, so come along and see this little YouTube world of ours where we make reality.
Staying on.
It's my head these days. Okay.
Let's go. Our timber's on. We're heading home. And it looks to me like the rain might be back. It's certainly threatening. We'll see how we go. So, after a noisy, bumpy, 3-hour drive, we are finally back home. And now to unload.
Make sure these supports are level. We stack the timber. That's good.
Hold your hand. In the engine?
Yeah.
Pull it, slow down.
Phillips measuring twice to cut once clean, working out a way to build their dream. Patching, painting, leveling floors, always one job away from starting 10 more. Lisa's trimming clips like a movie pro, adding the beats to the hammer blows. Thumbnails popping, the title's tied, gonna post that upload later tonight. Oh, we fix it and film it, building dreams from the ground.
So, I just want to peek at the timber. Oh, there's a big pile of junk to go to the dip tip. All right, here we go. So this is the timber. A nice close-up. You can see the fiddleback, the ripple look running through the timber. Down in this one here, that was one of the big wide boards we got off the truck first up. And Philip was talking about black in the timber, black lines like these, which apparently can be caused from bacteria. Anyway, I quite like that. I think that will look quite nice once we sand it up, and it'll be interesting to see what colours it throws. So Tas oak is quite a light timber, but it can throw yellows and pinks and even greys. So we're going to wrap these babies up and put them to bed for the night, and then I think it's beer o'clock for us. Don't you, Philip? Do you think it's beer o'clock?
Yes.
Igniting a flame across the nations for DIY home transformations. With every job done, a story's told, turning everyday life into solid gold.
Well, that's it.
All safe.
Job well done.
Yeah, it's good.
All finished.
It's come all the way from the Huon Valley. Locally grown timber, native forest. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And yeah, they harvest this with respect for the environment too, which is good. Good people down there.
All right. Think you've earned a beer.
I reckon so.
Let's go.